Hello children, a very good morning to all. How do you do? Hope you are all fine and safe. Good children, stay home, stay safe. Welcome to grade 2 math class. Today we are going to revise tens and ones in real life. Are you ready children? Good. See, look at the first example. Our example is THERE there, ARER, 10, APPLES, apples, IN, yeah, BAG, back, and SOME, LOOSE, loose, APPLES, apples. There are 10 apples in a bag and some loose apples. HOW, how, MANY, many, APPLES, apples, WILL, will, BEB, THERE, there, IFF. So there are 10 apples in a bag, some loose apples. So how many apples will be there if? Is it children? So look at the first question. RAVI, Ravi, HAS, has, 3, BAGS, bags, OF, of, APPLES, apples, and 3, LOOSE, loose, APPLES, apples. So Ravi has 3 bags of apples and 3 loose apples. See children, already we learnt about tens and ones. So the 3 bags of apples we consider as we take as a 3 tens. Is it children? Then that loose apples we consider as ones. So Ravi has how many tens? Then how many ones? 3 tens and 3 ones. Is it children? So we can write 3 tens plus 3 ones. The 3 tens we can write as a 3 into 10. So if you multiple 3 into 10, what we get? Yes, 30. So 30 plus 3. See children, if you add 30 plus 3, 33. So Ravi has how many apples? Yes, 33 apples. Good children. Look at the next one. SEEMA, Seema, HAS, has, 5, BAGS, bags, OF, of, APPLES, apples, and 7, LOOSE, loose, APPLES, apples. Seema has 5 bags of apples and 7 loose apples. So here how many tens, then how many ones children? Yes, 5 tens and 7 ones. Is it children? Good, your answer is correct. So 5 tens plus 7 ones. That 5 tens we can write as a 5 into 10. So if you multiple 5 with 10, what we get? Yes, 50. So 50 plus 7, 57. Is it children? So Seema has how many apples? 57 apples. Good children. The next one. SHRESTHA. Shrestha, HAS, has, 10, BAGS, bags, OF, of, APPLES, apples. So Shrestha has 10 bags of apples. So only she has tens alone. Is it children? Because she doesn't has no loose apples. So we can write 10 tens plus 0 ones. Is it children? Because Shrestha has no loose apples. So the 10 tens, how can we write? 10 into 10. So if you multiple 10 by 10, what we get? Yes, 100. So Shrestha has how many apples children? 100 apples. Are you understand children? Good. See our next example is RITA, Rita, BOUGHT, bought, 8, SET, set, OF, of, BANGLES, bangles. So Rita bought 8 set of bangles. EACH, each, SET, set, HAS, has, 10. BANGLES, bangles. So Rita bought 8 set of bangles. Each set has 10 bangles. See children. So the next one, HOW, how, MANY, many, BANGLES, bangles, DIT, did, SHE, she, BUY, buy. See children, Rita bought 8 set of bangles. Each set has 10 bangles. So number of set of bangles 8. That bangles in each set 10. So now we are going to find how many bangles did she buy. See, shall we see the solution? NUMBER number, OF of SETS sets, OF of BANGLES bangles. So number of sets of bangles, yes, 10 sets only, you know. So Rita bought 8 set of bangles. So next one, BANGLES bangles in EACH each SET set. Bangles in each set, yes, each set has 10 bangles. So we can write 10. See children, the next one, NUMBER number, OF of BANGLES bangles, RITA Rita, BOUGHT bought. So number of bangles, Rita bought 8 tens. Is it children? So we can write the tens as a into 10. So if you multiple 8 into 10, we get 80. 8 tens are 80. So Rita bought how many bangles? 80 bangles. See children, Rita bought 8 set of bangles. Then each set has 10 bangles. So this one we consider as a 8 tens. Is it children? So the tens, instead of tens, we can put into 10. Yes, so 8 into 10, we get 80. 8 tens are 80. So finally, Rita bought how many bangles? 80 bangles. Now we are going to revise patterns. C PATTERNS patterns. See children, OBSERVE, observe, AND CONTINUE, continue, THE, the, PATTERN, pattern. So observe and continue the pattern. See children, look at the first question. We have a 1, 2, 3. That again the number 1, 2, 3 is repeated. Is it children? So what will come on the next? Yes, the number 1, 2, 3. So we can write 1, 2, 3 similarly. Is it children? So this is the pattern of this question. So the next one, look at the next question. See children, what can you observe? Yes, is the pattern is going in increasing order? Yes. See children, look at the first number. Yes, the number 4. See children, what is our next number? Yes, 8. So we have count forward 4 times, we get 8. Is it children? So 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have count forward 4 times, we get 8. So we can call it as this method as a skip counting by 4s. Is it children? So after 8, see children, all of you leave 4 fingers and count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you add 8 with 4, we get 12. So 12 after, again we take 4 finger and count. So 12 after 14, 15, 16. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16. So if you add 12 with 4, we get 16. Is it children? So again 16 after, we can take the 4 fingers. So 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you add 16 with 4, we get 20. Is it children? So that again we want to take the 4 fingers. So 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24. So if you add 20 with 4, we get 24. Is it children? That again we are going to find the next 3 numbers. So 24 after, again we want to take the 4 fingers. So 24 after 25, 26, 27, 28. So if you add 24 with 4, we get 28. So that again 28 with 4, 28 after 29, 30, 31, 32. So if you add 28 with 4, we get 32. The next one, again we take the 4 finger and count. So 32 after 33, 34, 35, 36. So what is our answer? 36. So this is the skip count by 4s. Is it children? So our answer is 28, 32, 36. Good children. The next example. See, look at the next one. changes in shape. So we have 2 circle, triangle. See children, the next one we have a circle, the next one we have dash, triangle, 2 circle, triangle. See children, look at the pattern carefully. What can you observe? Yes, this pattern is going on like a 2 circle, triangle. Is it children? So what will come on the dash? Yes, here one circle is there. So the next one what will come? One circle. So we can draw as a circle. So this pattern is going on like a 2 circle, triangle. So again 2 circle, triangle. So again 2 circle, triangle. Is it children? So this dash, which shape will come? Yes, circle. Are you understand children? Shall we move on the next one? See. Look at this pattern carefully children. What can you observe? Yes, the shape only changes here. The first one we have a square. The next one we have a rectangle. See children, this shapes only repeated. Similarly, see children. So the next one square, rectangle, square. So what will come? Yes, rectangle. See children, this pattern is going on like a square, rectangle, square, rectangle. See children, then square after what will come? Yes, rectangle. So we can draw the rectangle. See children, are you understand? Good. See the next one, we are going to revise the multiplication table. 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 90, 1 10 is 10. 2 tens are 20, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40, 5 tens are 50, 6 tens are 60, 7 tens are 70, 8 tens are 80, 9 tens are 90, 10 tens are 100. See children, you have to practice the multiplication tables 9 and 10 in your home. Okay children, I will meet in the next video. Bye. Thank you.